I'm 99% satisfied with the way the car is performing. I think there's a little bit of throttle lag, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reset the throttle. We'll switch off the car completely. We don't need the lights. I think... Not now, baby, not now. Push down on the pedal. Start and wait 30 seconds, I think. So let's wait 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. Got my foot pressed against the accelerator pedal, and I'm just started the ignition, started the power without actually starting the car. Obviously my foot is not on the brake pedal, so it won't start. Okay, it's been 30 seconds, and I'm gonna press the button again, so the car should go off. Now I will depress. I've removed my foot from the pedal, and okay, we'll count down 2 minutes. I don't know what I'm hearing is just cooling down from the drive, these little clinks and clanks that I can hear, but I don't know if the computer's working in the background, if something's happening. Yeah, there was definitely a noise that just stopped. So whatever it was, yeah. So within 2 minutes, whatever it was supposed to do, I think it's been completed. Let's start the car and see. Yeah, no fault messages. Looks good. Yeah, so theoretically now, if the throttle lag was something to do with the way the car has adapted to the way I personally use it, it should improve now. And the only way to know that is by going back to the road and testing it.